Hey guys, welcome back. So I am not wearing any face makeup. That's because we're gonna do our eyes first. I'm very excited because I'm going to be doing a colorful look here on my channel. I feel like I do them, but not often. And I'm also going to start making more colorful looks because, you know, it's summer and also just want to step out of my comfort zone. So in this video, I am going to be including a lot of tips that I've gotten from people. So I will give people credit. I don't know if you guys know the makeup artist Mitchell. He's from the UK and I follow his Instagram. He's amazing at what he does. I love his work in general. It's amazing and I mostly got inspiration by him. I was like, you know what? I need a little bit of this on my channel, so that's why I got inspiration from him. Alright, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows off camera and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, I zoomed you guys in a little because I already did my eyebrow on this eye, so now I'm just gonna prep my eyelid. I'm just going to be applying some of this Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and now I'm just going to be blending it with this brush. If you guys have been watching me, you guys know that I like to do my foundation first and then my eyes, but since we're working with colors and a lot of blending, we're gonna be doing this so we don't get any fallout. And if I'm not talking throughout the video, I am going to be doing like a voiceover if I'm not talking. I want to try to do like a yellow eye. I've been dying to do a yellow eye actually. So I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Lemonade palette, which looks like this. Lemonade Craze, sorry, and I'm gonna be taking a Lemonade Craze, this shade right here in the palette. Now I'm actually gonna take plenty of this, just put the product in the middle like this. Started to blend very slowly. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking this Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette and I'm going to be taking the shade in the middle. It's more brighter and it's kind of like, it looks more mustardy. And I'm actually going to apply this right in the center also. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit more. This color is super pigmented, by the way. And I'm actually going to take a more smaller brush. It's this one right here. This is the Morphe M433 brush. And now I'm going to be taking this Into the Sun palette by Glow Up Cosmetics, and I'm going to be taking Cleopatra in the palette. And that's what I'm just going to continue doing. I'm going to press that orange shade. Alright, so once you have your eye looking like this, I know it's a little crazy right now, but I am going to be cleaning this up. But good thing we don't have any primer right now. So I went ahead and applied Cleopatra again, but this time with a different brush. This brush is from MAC, the 217 brush, and yeah, I feel like the last one wasn't doing it for me, so yeah. So now I'm going to be taking my Morphe palette. This is the 3502 palette, and I'm going to be taking this red shade right here, and I'm just going to be kind of like doing a sunset look. You guys will see right now how much better it looks. I love how it turned out. So all you're gonna do here is blend, blend, blend until you have the desired amount that you want. So I'm kind of doing a halo 2 here, but actually that didn't really like make a difference at the end, but you guys will see right now. We're actually not going to do anything anymore right now. For right now, I'm going to go ahead and do my cut crease. And to cut the crease, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium honey. I like to apply some on the back of my hand like this. And then with a MAC 195, it looks like this. So right here, I'm just building the crease, and you guys know my trick is looking up and then like side to side to see where the concealer ends or like touches. And then right when I see that little mark, I just start to continue cutting the crease. I feel like this is the best way so you don't get any concealer up on your crease. But yeah. Alright, so I'm going to be taking the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remaster. I'm going to be picking up Moon Dust, this color right here. Alright guys, so I'm going to do this eye off camera and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be applying my Hourglass Avail Mineral Primer all over my face. And I'm sorry I switched up on you guys. I don't know what was happening at my house, that it was super noisy that I could not do a talk through video. But you guys know the drill with my foundation. I love applying my NARS Natural Radiant Foundation in Aruba. Yeah, Aruba. It's one of the best foundations I've ever tried. Seriously, it's my favorite and it matches so perfectly. I always blend it out with my Morphe sponge. It's my favorite way to do it. And now I'm going to go ahead and apply my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is in the shade Sand. I first like to conceal and then I like to highlight. You guys know the drill with that. This concealer is very full coverage, you guys. I actually, like, it was very deceiving at first. Like, I thought it wasn't really going to be super full coverage. That's why I added a lot. But you guys, I freaking love this concealer. It's now one of my favorites so far. They did so good with the formula and I love the applicator. It's so perfect to apply concealer. And the shade that I just apply right now, I think it's warm beige. If not, like, I will link everything down below. So now I'm just going to be cream contouring with my Fenty Beauty matchstick. I think this is in the shade Deep or Dark. I'm not sure, but again, I will link it down below. And now I'm just gonna blend it out with my MAC 130 brush. And as you guys saw right now, I did contour like around my lip. I saw Kim Kardashian doing that and I was very intrigued. So I tried it out for the first time and I did actually like it. It did make my, my lips a little like plumper, like it looked like it. But yeah, I really did like this step. So I think I'm going to continue doing it. But I'm going to now blend my nose contour with my Tarte brush. I will link it down below. But then I just started to set my concealer with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. You guys know this is like an all-time favorite. And now I'm just going to bronze up my face with this Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer in Fantastic, I think. And you guys, I freaking shattered the big old mirror in this bronzer. I was so freaking sad. I like almost cried because it's ruined now, but it's okay. It's okay. Now I'm just gonna apply this Tarte Amazonian clay blush. Don't know the name, but I will link it down below. Alright, so now I'm gonna contour a little bit more with my Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil. I actually tried the chocolate shade, but I didn't really like it because it's literally like my skin tone. But I love the shade right here, and I do recommend these bronzers or whatever, matte, yeah, matte bronzers. They're so good and super pigmented, and I love the dark chocolate shade. So now with this Tartist eyeliner, I'm just going to be doing a little, liner on my eyelid. It's not going to be like a complete eyeliner. You guys will see right now. But I'm just doing this because I started to do this actually when I'm not wearing eyeliner because it actually does hide the lash band. So I really do recommend that. So now I'm just going to be adding my mascara and then falsies. These falsies are the Lily Lashes. I think these are in the style Celeste. If not, you guys know, I will link it down below. But now I'm just going to be dusting off the excess that I have going on my face. This Lancome mascara is actually pretty bomb, you guys. I love how long my lower lashes look after I apply this mascara. This is the Lancome mascara. It's not the waterproof. It comes like in the pink writing, but yeah. I mean, who else does these faces? And now I'm gonna be taking my Urban Decay metallic glitter in Cowboy. I don't know if you guys have heard about this eyeliner, but pretty sure it's been raved all around the internet. I wasn't being super precise on this step because I did go to sleep right after I finished filming this, but yeah, it adds a really pretty touch, and I did want a little bit of glitter on this colorful look. Now I'm going to be adding this main squeeze shade on my inner corner. I love the names in this palette. They're super, super cute. And now I'm going to be spraying some of this Glow Setter from Glam Glow. I love this spray. It's actually pretty bomb. Like, you guys know I've been using this spray for a really long time. But now I'm just going to be adding my MAC Oh Darling highlighter. And this is a gold highlighter. Like this, if you're around my skin tone, you need this highlighter. So yeah, I'm just gonna be, drenching in this. Now you guys know that I love taking my Persona highlighter. This is in the shade Zuma. It's pretty freaking bomb. Like, I don't want to curse, but it's so fucking bomb, you guys. Like, you guys need this highlighter. I also have a discount code. You guys will save, I think, 20% off if you use my discount code. It is Sarahiiy. If anything, it is gonna be link down below, sorry. And I am applying this KKW Beauty lip liner, and this is in the shade number 1. And I actually really love this color combo. This is also from KKW in the shade 2, but I am going to be mixing it with shade 3. I actually did buy all 4 because I was really, really excited about them. So you guys, like, this lip gloss is everything. This is the Urban Decay High Shine lip glosses, I think. And this is in the shade, hold on. Okay, so this is in the shade Gold Mine. Oh shit, no, that's Gold Mine. Did I add 2? Wait, hold on, you guys. Hold up. So as you guys saw, I was being extra. I added 2 lip glosses. Who am I? Honestly, this is in the shade Fuel. So I mixed those 2 together. They're the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine lip glosses. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys loved it as much as I do. You guys should be proud of me because I don't usually gravitate towards the bright eye colors, and I was really proud of myself. Although it is orange and I pretty much wear that every single day, but I really, really loved how the makeup look turned out. Let me know if you guys did too. Thumbs up this video, like and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye guys.